Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy a database in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to copy a database in Notion. First, launch Notion in your browser and sign in if necessary. Then, in the left-hand sidebar, locate the page that contains the database you want to copy and open it. So now I have opened the page that contains the database I want to copy. All right, then the next one is hover your mouse over the database block, which is here, and you see the 6 dotted icon, which is the block handle, appear on the left side of the database, which is here. Now, click on the 6 dotted icon to select the entire database block. After selecting the database block, right-click on it and choose duplicate. So that's it. You have these options over here, so you don't need to right-click. They're already displayed. Now you have comment, suggest, ask AI, delete, duplicate, copy link to block, turn into database, and move to. Now go ahead and click on duplicate from the context menu. And there you go. So alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+D in Windows or CMD+D on Mac to duplicate the database. Now the database will be duplicated directly below the original one on the same page, which we have here. Now, you can also move the copy database, which is optional. If you want to copy the database to another page, first copy the database block. And how do you do that? Right-click on the duplicated database and select copy. Copy. You can say copy link to block, or if you don't want to just copy link to block, just click on that, then right-click the database and go ahead and Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C. Then navigate to the page where you want to paste the copied database. Right-click on an empty space in the new page and select paste, or press Ctrl+V, and that's it. So you can also rename the copied database by clicking on its title at the top of the database and edit the name. That's it, if you want to rename it. So that's pretty much the process. I'd like you to know that duplicating a database will copy all of its content, which include entries, structures, properties, columns, but the duplicate is independent of the original database. And if you link a database instead of copying it, changes made in the linked database will reflect in the original. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.